a makeup look that is inspired by Veronica Lodge, the daughter of Hermione Lodge, and I don't know the name of the father, but I swear to you, pinanood ko yung 2 seasons nun, and still waiting for season 3, pirately. So I've also created a poll about this on my Instagram accounts. I'm asking you guys, what should I do? Whether Veronica Lodge makeup tutorial or secret na lang yung isa. But if you follow me, you'll know. So, ayan, kakakita nyo lang naman ng outfit of the day ko, and medyo may kaibahan sa personality niya, and medyo iba talaga yung mga damit na sinusuot niya dun sa show kumpara sa akin kasi we can't wear short skirts. We can't wear short skirts at the office, so we gotta stay corporate, and that's why I was wearing pants. So I hope you felt the vibes too. Thank you for all those who voted, and let's get started in this tutorial. I already did my foundation, pampaiklingan ng oras, but if you wanna know my foundation routine, I'll have it linked down below or linked at the end of the video. So make sure that you watch till the end so you have the direct link of that video. Dahil okay naman na yung base natin or yung foundation natin, we're going to head on over with contouring. So medyo gusto kong gayahin yung facial features ni Cami Mendez, who plays the character of Veronica Lodge in the series, na meron siyang chiseled cheeks, and then she has a great jawline. Except for the nose, hindi ko magagaya yung nose niya kasi medyo mahaba talaga yun. And I have tons of preferences. That's it! Instead of drawing just a straight line, kailangan mo magkaroon ng pa-curve dito sa part na to. And also, meron din kasi siyang shadow dito sa part na to, so maybe we should contour that as well. But, light-handedly lang naman. Next is just blend it out. So after the cream contour, medyo lalagyan natin siya ng powder para mas intense yung contour shade natin, since alam ko sinasabi nyo hindi naman halata kasi wala naman masyado nagbago, but maybe it's because of my lighting kaya hindi din masyadong kita. So just use your contour powder para lang din makita yung contour shades nyo. And also, don't forget to follow the lines na ginawa nyo kanina. So, tapos na tayo sa contouring, and then, according dun sa mga reference photos na nakuha ko, medyo wala siyang blush na ginamit, but who doesn't use blush? Maybe Veronica Lodge didn't, but gusto ko pa din gumamit ng blush, and dahil hindi naman ganang halata yung kanya, ganun din yung gagawin natin. So, gamit na lang kayo ng blush na hindi masyadong pink, or medyo yung natural colored lang. And yun yung gamitin yung blush for your face or your cheeks. And then after that, medyo meron siya mga highlight. Yung makeup niya is on the matte side and walang ka-shine-shine. So we're going to use a highlighting powder. So ang ginagamit ko is a matte highlight powder, and it's not the shiny ones that you usually use for that glow that you want. Let's go down over to the eyes. So, for her eyebrows, so, medyo alangan ako dito. So, kinakabahan ako dito sa part na to kasi, oh my God, yung eyebrows niya kasi is nag-start, parang feeling ko sobrang haba ng eyebrows niya. Alam kong hindi naman to transformation video, but At least, gusto ko man lang pakita sa inyo yung feel na as in Veronica Lodge. Yung haba ng kilay niya, parang pag I don't know, hanggang dito ata. Medyo cat-eye-ish kasi or almond shape ata yung mata niya. And I'm not almond shaped. Mas maliit yung mata ko kaysa sa kanya. Maliit in terms na maliit. Yung kanya ganyan pakahaba. Again, this is not a transformation video. But still. So, yung kilay niya din, napansin ko, hindi siya yung pa-square na type. More on, parang may pa-triangle ka dito na part. So, ganito yung una niyang kilay. Charot. Yung kilay niya kasi, sa napansin ko nga, hindi siya parang pa-square dito sa part na to. More on, yung kilay niya is parang pa-V-shape. Pag ganun sila. Kita mo din kasi dun sa face niya yung yung from her nose line as in diretsong ganun sa kilay. Sobrang dark din ng kilay niya. That's why we're going to use my Korean eyebrow pencil instead of the BYS gel. Sana. Ha! Oh! After the brows, dun tayo sa eyeshadows. Dun sa mga posters, medyo smoky eye siya. But on some, tulad ng mga gym class scenes niya, wala siyang makeup dun. Siyempre, mag-gym ka ba na naka-makeup? So, hindi na ulit ako magpa-primer since tulungan lang din ako mamaya. I'm going to use a nude palette kasi smoky eye. But meron lang din siyang konting purple eyeshadow na ginamit dito sa outer part. So, yan lang naman yung gagamitin natin for this makeup look. Use a transition shade. So, as usual, yun pa din yung transition shade na gagamitin ko. Or pwede din naman tong darker. Yan. Pag nag-mix ko na sila. And transition shade is usually applied on your crease or your upper crease. So, yung eye shape niya nga kasi tulad ng sabi ko sa inyo, pag ganon, medyo cat eye. So, blend tayo upwards. Not really upwards like that, but yung i-build mo yung eye shape if you want to. Pero, kung hindi naman din bagay kasi sa eye shape nyo, di kung how you usually do your eyeshadow, yun na lang din. But, you could use the colors that I'm using. So, you could use a scotch tape and then tape it here para pagkatanggal nyo, may sharp eyeshadowing kayo. But, you got to blend it din kasi di naman sobrang kita nung kay Veronica Lodge. So, after your transition shade is that you're going to use a darker shade for your outer corners. So, medyo pa-V nga yung outer corners. You need an angled brush or kung confident naman kayo, you could use again a fluffy brush para blended yung eyeshadow nyo sa outer corners of your eyes. So, I'm going to use a dark purple for that part. So, this one. You could also use black if you want to. But, dahil medyo purplish yung mga eksena sa Riverdale posters, that's what I'm going to use. So that's the purple part. So medyo hindi ba nag-darken sa kanya. That's why I'm going to use a black eyeshadow and put it on the outer corner of your eyes. And again, medyo pa V-shape din yung gagawin yung style of shading for it. Build up again the cat eye effect of your eyeshadow. So for the inner corners of her eyes, I'm going to use a champagne color. And then for the lower lash line, since may nakita ako kanina na medyo shine sa part na yon, but wala siya nung eyeshadow, dark eyeshadows. So we're done with the eyeshadow and now we're going to do the eyeliner. Ito na naman tayo. Medyo nakabahan lang sa eyeliner niya. Medyo diretso lang din naman siya mag-eyeliner. That's what we're going to do. Let's just wing it. I don't know if this tip will help you, but bago nyo i-fill in yung eyeliner nyo on one side, you should do the wing line first on both sides. Then, titingnan nyo if pantay ba sila. Para dun pa lang medyo i-adjust nyo na. Pwede burahin nyo using a makeup remover or use a concealer to hide the mistake. And then, pag satisfied na kayo dun sa pagkaka-wing nilang dalawa, nun nyo palang drawingan or nun nyo palang i-fill in yung talagang eyeliner nyo. So, that's my tip. I hope that helps. For Veronica Lodge's eyeliner, hindi ko nilagay dun sa pinakadulo ng eyes ko. So, you have to line it until the inner corner of your eyes para ching! So now that we're done with the eyeliner, we're going to do the eyelashes. So the eyelashes that she usually use is yung mga may pitik sa dulo. But since I don't have those kind of lashes, ang gagawin ko na lang is to use mascara. So we'll see if I can cheat it with mascara, and I'll get back to you later. Hello! So ayun, I'm back and hindi siya kinaya ng mascara lang to copy the eye shape of Veronica Lodge. That's why I used one falsie and then cut it in half and then put it at the end of my eyes just to have the eye shape that she has. So, ayun nga, that's the hack that I did for my eyelashes. Cut one eyelash in half and then put it at the end of your eyes para may cut eyelashes ka na. That's it for the eyes, and then next is the lips. So, sa lips, I have 3 options and I don't know kung ano yung gagamitin ko. Medyo dark violet yung kanyang lipstick. This is from Avon, this is from Revlon, and then this one's in Matte in Detail. Ginamit ko yung Matte in Detail na lipstick. So, ayan, medyo dark pala yung lipstick na nakuha ko, and also medyo raspberry tone yung lipstick na meron si Veronica Lodge on her makeup look. But I still like this version of mine. This is pretty much the makeup look for Veronica Lodge, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please do give this a like if you enjoyed watching this video, and please do comment down below what you want me to do next. Or should I do a series of makeup tutorials inspired by different characters from different TV shows? But I can promise to you that I can do a transformation video, because I'm not too good at that. Also, don't forget to subscribe on my channel and be part of my growing family. And then don't forget to ring the bell to get notified whenever I upload videos. See you guys next time. Bye!